most powerful waterfalls, where millions of liters of water crash down every second, creating a thunderous roar and a mist that can be seen from miles away. This isn't just a waterfall, it's one of the greatest natural wonders on Earth. Welcome to Niagara Falls, Canada's most famous tourist destination. Today, let's explore why millions of travelers from around the world visit this incredible place every year. Located in Ontario, along the border between Canada and the United States, Niagara Falls is actually made up of three magnificent waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Among them, Horseshoe Falls is the largest and most spectacular, with nearly 90% of the water flowing over the Canadian side. The history of Niagara Falls stretches back thousands of years. Formed during the last ice age, these waterfalls have become a symbol of nature's incredible power. Every second, an enormous amount of water pours over the edge, making Niagara Falls one of the strongest waterfalls in the world. Standing nearby, you'll not only hear its thunderous roar, but also feel the refreshing mist on your face. One of the most unforgettable experiences here is the famous boat tour that takes visitors right to the base of Horseshoe Falls. As the boat moves closer, you're surrounded by crashing water and rising mist, creating an exciting adventure you'll remember for a lifetime. Wearing the iconic rain poncho is all part of the experience as you witness the immense power of nature from just a short distance away. For breathtaking panoramic views, head to the observation decks overlooking the falls. Whether you're capturing photos during the day or watching the sunset paint the sky with beautiful colors, every angle offers a stunning perspective. If you're looking for even more excitement, take a helicopter tour and admire Niagara Falls from above. The aerial view reveals the full scale of this natural wonder, along with the winding Niagara River and the surrounding landscape. As evening arrives, Niagara Falls transforms into something truly magical. Powerful lights illuminate the waterfalls in vibrant colors, creating an unforgettable nighttime spectacle. On special occasions and holidays, fireworks light up the sky above the falls, making the experience even more breathtaking. But Niagara Falls is much more than just waterfalls. The surrounding area is filled with attractions, restaurants, parks, gardens, museums, and family-friendly entertainment. You can stroll along the scenic Niagara Parkway, visit nearby wineries that produce world-famous Canadian ice wine, or enjoy thrilling attractions that make the region a perfect destination for visitors of all ages. The best time to visit is between late spring and early autumn, when the weather is pleasant and most attractions are fully open. However, winter offers a completely different experience, with snow-covered landscapes and frozen mist, creating a magical atmosphere unlike anywhere else in the world. Whether you're a nature lover, photographer, adventure seeker, or simply someone who enjoys breathtaking scenery, Niagara Falls offers an unforgettable experience. Its incredible beauty, fascinating history, exciting attractions, and powerful natural energy make it a destination that deserves a place on every traveler's bucket list. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Niagara Falls? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Trip to Go, and turn on notifications for more amazing travel adventures from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next destination. What if you could step into a place where crystal clear turquoise lakes reflect towering snow-capped mountains? Wildlife roams freely through untouched forests, and every road feels like a scene from a Hollywood movie. Welcome to Banff National Park, one of the most breathtaking destinations in Canada and one of the most beautiful national parks on Earth. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or simply searching for unforgettable landscapes, Banff promises an experience you'll remember for a lifetime. Let's discover why this incredible destination attracts millions of visitors every year. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies in Alberta, Banff National Park was established in 1885, making it Canada's first national park and one of the oldest national parks in the world. Covering more than 6,600 square kilometres, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to majestic mountains, sparkling glaciers, dense forests, and some of the most famous lakes on the planet. One of Banff's greatest treasures is the world-famous Lake Louise. Known as the Jewel of the Rockies, this stunning lake captivates visitors with its vibrant turquoise waters created by tiny particles of rock carried from nearby glaciers. Surrounded by dramatic mountain peaks and the historic Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise, it's a paradise for photographers and nature enthusiasts. During the summer, visitors can enjoy canoeing across the calm waters, while winter transforms the lake into a magical destination for ice skating and snow activities. Just a short drive away lies Moraine Lake, another natural masterpiece that has become one of Canada's most iconic landscapes. Framed by the magnificent Valley of the Ten Peaks, the lake's brilliant blue water looks almost unreal. Watching the sunrise here is a truly unforgettable experience, as the first rays of sunlight illuminate the mountains and create a breathtaking reflection on the lake's surface. For those who love scenic drives, the Icefields Parkway is one of the most beautiful roads in the world. Stretching between Banff and Jasper National Parks, this highway offers spectacular views of glaciers, waterfalls, rivers, and towering mountain ranges. Along the journey you may spot elk, bighorn sheep, mountain goats, black bears, or even grizzly bears in their natural habitat. Every turn reveals another incredible view, making the drive an attraction in itself. Adventure awaits around every corner in Banff. During the warmer months, visitors can hike through alpine meadows, ride mountain bikes along scenic trails, climb rocky peaks, or paddle across crystal-clear lakes. In winter, Banff transforms into a world-class destination for skiing and snowboarding, with famous resorts offering excellent slopes for beginners and professionals alike. The charming town of Banff is the perfect place to relax after a day of exploration. Surrounded by mountains, the town features cozy cafes, local restaurants, boutique shops, and welcoming hotels. Visitors can also unwind in the famous Banff Upper Hot Springs, where warm, mineral-rich waters provide a relaxing soak while offering stunning mountain views. The best time to visit Banff depends on the experience you're looking for. Summer brings pleasant weather, colourful wildflowers, and endless outdoor adventures, while autumn paints the forests in beautiful golden colours. Winter creates a snowy wonderland perfect for skiing and holiday vacations, and spring offers peaceful landscapes as nature awakens once again. Banff National Park is more than just a destination. It's a place where nature reveals its most extraordinary beauty. From its turquoise lakes and towering mountains to its incredible wildlife and unforgettable adventures, every moment spent here feels like a dream. It's no surprise that Banff is considered one of the greatest travel destinations, not only in Canada, but in the entire world. If Banff National Park is now on your travel bucket list, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Trip2Go, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing travel guides from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Imagine standing more than 550 meters above the ground, surrounded by breathtaking views of a modern city skyline, sparkling blue waters, and endless horizons. Beneath your feet, tiny cars move through the streets, while the entire city stretches out in every direction. Welcome to the CN Tower, one of Canada's most iconic landmarks and a symbol of innovation, engineering, and adventure. Today, let's discover why millions of visitors from around the world come to experience this incredible tower every year. Located in the heart of downtown Toronto, the CN Tower rises to an impressive height of 553.3 meters, making it one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world. Completed in 1976, the tower was originally built to improve television and radio communications. It held the title of the world's tallest freestanding structure for more than 30 years and remains one of Canada's most recognizable attractions. The journey begins with one of the fastest elevators in North America. In less than a minute, visitors are lifted hundreds of meters into the sky. As the elevator climbs, glass panels reveal the city disappearing below, building excitement before you even reach the observation deck. Once at the top, you're greeted with breathtaking panoramic views of Toronto. On a clear day, you can see the beautiful skyline, the vast waters of Lake Ontario, the Toronto Islands, and even the distant outline of Niagara Falls. Whether you visit during the bright daylight at sunset or after dark when the city lights sparkle below, every moment offers a completely different and unforgettable perspective. One of the tower's most exciting attractions is the famous glass floor. Strong enough to support the weight of several large trucks, this transparent floor allows visitors to look straight down more than 340 meters to the streets below. Standing on it can be thrilling, especially for those with a fear of heights, but it's an experience that many describe as unforgettable. For adventure lovers, the CN Tower offers one of the world's most unique experiences, the Edge Walk. This hands-free outdoor walk takes visitors around the outside edge of the tower's main pod, 356 meters above the ground. Safely secured with harnesses, participants lean over the edge while enjoying spectacular views of the city. It's considered one of the highest full-circle hands-free walks in the world and is a dream adventure for thrill seekers. The tower is also home to the elegant 360 restaurant, which slowly rotates as you dine. During your meal, the restaurant completes a full rotation, giving guests ever-changing views of Toronto from every angle. Whether you're enjoying lunch, dinner, or celebrating a special occasion, it's one of the most memorable dining experiences in Canada. Beyond its incredible attractions, the CN Tower stands as a symbol of Toronto's modern identity and engineering excellence. Every year, it welcomes millions of visitors from across the globe, making it one of the most visited landmarks in North America. Throughout the year, the tower is illuminated with colorful LED lights to celebrate holidays, festivals, and important events, adding even more beauty to Toronto's skyline after sunset. The best time to visit is during late afternoon, allowing you to experience the city in daylight, watch a spectacular sunset over Lake Ontario, and stay to admire the dazzling city lights at night. No matter when you visit, the CN Tower promises unforgettable memories and incredible photo opportunities. Whether you're fascinated by architecture, love breathtaking views, or seek exciting adventures, the CN Tower offers something for everyone. It's more than just a building. It's a symbol of Canada's innovation, ambition, and world-class tourism. A visit to Toronto simply isn't complete without experiencing this remarkable landmark. Would you dare to walk around the outside of the CN Tower on the thrilling Edge Walk? Or would you rather enjoy the incredible views from the observation deck? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Trip to Go, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing travel adventures from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next destination.